children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we will discuss the homework answers of yesterday and we will see few more part from the chapter Can You See the Patterns? Okay, so look here H137. So this was the pattern which is given. Now here first thing is like this. Okay, next you have the diagram which has straight line. Okay, next you have the diagram which faces towards the left side. Then what will come? Then towards the right. Okay, then again down, then again like this, totally down. Okay, then cross left, then straight left. Is it clear? Like this it follows. Okay, so actually here we can say the next picture will be in this way. Okay, and the next one, the last one will be like this. So can you identify? So the rule followed here is 1/8 turn clockwise. Okay, why? Because here we have 8 directions, right? So starting from here we move one direction, then 2, 3, like this we are moving. So here totally we have 8 parts. So that is 1/8 of a turn. Okay, so the rule followed in this pattern is 1/8 turn clockwise. Next here n, and if you give 1/4 turn in clockwise direction towards the right side, it will become like this. Again if you give 1/4 turn clockwise, it will become like this. Then again it becomes like this, again it becomes like this and like this. Okay, is it clear? So here it is 1/4 turn clockwise. Okay, next look this. So here you have single dot in the down direction, then you have it on the left, then you have it on the right. Okay, then what will be the next one? Again it will come to the down. Okay, then again it will go to the left. Okay, so only 3 sides are there, right? So it is known as 1/3 turn. This is also in clockwise direction. Okay, so if it is moving like this, it is anti-clockwise, but it moves like this only. No, from here it comes to the single dot comes to this side, so this is clockwise direction. Okay, is it clear? So these are the answers for the homework questions which was given yesterday. Kindly check your answers. Now let us enter into today's class. See, look here, C145, use 45-degree turn to complete the given pattern. Okay, so we already learnt about angles in the second chapter, shapes and angles. Okay, so you will know what is a 45 degree. It is an acute angle. Okay, and what is 90 degree? It is a right angle. Okay, so here the F is like this, straight. Okay, and it is turning a little like this, slight, a small acute angle like 45 degree. Okay, then from here it is again changing like this, and that is 45 degree again. Okay, next from here, so it will be changed, so tilted like this. Okay, is it clear? Then it will change like this. Okay, then across like this. Understood? So this is how this pattern will be continued. Okay, next question, C146, use 45-degree turn, take forward the pattern to get back what you started with. Okay, so here also we have to use the same pattern, 45-degree turn, and we have to complete the pattern such that again we get the same figure with which we started, to get back what you started with. So this shape we have to get it again. Okay, so now it is like this. Then after this you will get in this way, then like this. Okay, then you will have this shape, then like this, then like this, then you will have this one, then at last you will have this. Understood how it came? 45 degree, 45 degree, you have to give turns. That's all. Clear? So we have seen what is 45-degree turn. Okay, so look at page number 102. So here some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule, then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. Okay, so look here, So the first 3 you will do it as homework. I will do this one for you. Okay, so here we have a pattern. Okay, and we have to say which among these two will be the next here. Okay, and what is the rule followed here also. Okay, so can you see here? So this part goes to the left side. Okay, like this. So this can be said as 1/4 anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise, or you can say this as 3/4 clockwise. Okay, this rule can be said as 3/4 clockwise. Can you see? So if it is anti-clockwise means it should move on the left direction like this. Okay, if it is clockwise means it should move like this, and it has come this side. Can you see? So this part came this side, right? So this is moving 3/4 in clockwise direction or 1/4 in anti-clockwise direction. Again it is moving one more 3/4 turn and it is coming upward direction. Okay, then again it is moving 3/4 and coming to the left side. Now again if it moves 1/4, okay, what will you get? You will get this shape. This part will face down. Okay, so this is the correct shape which will come next. Okay, so like this you have to find out what rule is used in all these 3, and you have to say which one will replace the next picture in the given patterns. Look at page number 103. Look for a pattern. Okay, so here mark that picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct it. Okay, so this is your question. So here, look here, C148 is given. So here, can you see the picture? 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. This should face down, but it is facing upward direction. Okay, so this picture should be in the downward direction. Okay, next C149. See, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. So this is the pattern again followed here, but here in this second picture it is wrong. Okay, so this should face downward direction. Is it clear? So like this you will do the correction for B and D as your homework.